guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ellie and today we're in a different location because I moved and this is my new kitchen. And today I'm gonna bring you picadillo. That's how we call it in my country. Usually you do it with ground beef, but today we're gonna use ground turkey because it's healthier. So if you want to know how we can do this recipe, please just keep watching. Let me show you the ingredients. Right here I have half of a yellow onion, I have grapes, bacon, and olives. These ones have red pepper inside, and these three are depending on your preference. Now I have 2 spoons of garlic, a small teaspoon of oregano, and 1 small teaspoon of cumin. I have cooking spray, dried wine, then I have a mix of frozen vegetables that it also depends on your preference, and tomato sauce, and I have 3 pounds of ground turkey. Now with all these ingredients, let's put them all together.
I have my temperature in high and I'm gonna add my cooking spray, then my onion, my garlic, my cumin, and my oregano, and mix it all together until it has a golden brown color. After that, you're gonna add your ground turkey and then mix it all together and break it apart. We're gonna add some dried wine and let it cook for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, you're gonna mix it all together and break the picadillo apart because you wanna make picadillo, not meatball. Let it rest for 5 more minutes and again break it apart as much as you can so you can make picadillo. We're gonna add our vegetables now and mix it all together and still breaking the picadillo apart. We're gonna let it cook for 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes pass, we're gonna add our tomato sauce and mix it all together and still break the picadillo apart. And we're gonna let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, and I lowered the temperature to low or medium low. And you're gonna cook it until all the liquid is gone. After those 15 and 20 minutes pass, we're gonna add our bacon, olive, and grapes and mix it all together. You're gonna notice that there's no more liquid left. That's when you're gonna know that your picadillo is done. If you like it with more liquid, you can finish this picadillo a long time ago, but I like it when it doesn't have no liquid or oil or anything. I put my temperature in high at the end.
Guys, this is the final result. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try this because I do picadillo here all the time, but oh my god, this one came out perfect. So I'm gonna taste it for you guys now, but it's a little bit hot, so bear with me, okay? Like, I can't tell you guys how good this is. I need to take another bite. It's so delicious. Like, oh my god, can't wait. I'm so excited. I don't even know what to say. Just, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to show some support, you can go ahead and subscribe and also click on the bell so every single time that I post a new video, you will get a notification. And I hope you make this recipe because it's amazing. I put it with some tomato and cucumber and rice and white rice, but you can eat it with tacos, sandwich, anything that you would like. Okay? I hope to see you in my next video.